welcome to Marygiri online classes. Last class we have studied about the discovery of the cell and the structure of the cell. So, the shape of the cells, 1, 2, 3 examples we have studied. Amoeba. Amoeba is a irregular shaped organism and unicellular organism. Amoeba have no definite shape and a small projections on its body that is known as pseudopodia. Another example for its white blood cells, WBC, and it keep on changing its body shape. Shape of the cell may vary from one organism to another. Some may be round shaped, elongated, then spindle shaped cells are there. Examples are there. Spherical shaped one, red blood cells in humans, spindle shaped one, muscle shapes, then branched one, that is nerve cells. Then coming to the size of the cell. The size of the cell will vary from one cell to another. The smallest one is mycoplasma. The largest one is ostrich egg. The size of the cell usually measured in micrometer. Now coming to the cell structure and its function. We already told cell is the basic unit or it is the structural unit of an organism. Cells are joined together tissues, tissues are joined together organs, organs are joined together to form the organ systems. Now, we are going to study about the two types of cell, plant cell and animal cell. First, we are going to study about the parts of the cell. Which are the parts of the cell or which are the components present in the cell. First one, we are going to study about the cell membrane which surrounds the cell, and it is the basic component of cell and it is known as cell membrane. Cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane. So, it is also called plasma membrane. Cell membrane is otherwise known as plasma membrane. The membrane separates cell from one another and also cell from the surroundings. Cell membrane is a porous. It allows the movement of substance or the materials both inward as well as outward into the cell as well as out from the cell. The boundary of the cell, that is known as cell membrane. So, one example, onion cell. Onion cell, the outer covering that is known as cell membrane, covered with a thick covering called the cell wall. The central dense round body in the center is called nucleus. The center of the cell, that is known as nucleus. In the cell membrane, a jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the membrane. Jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the membrane is called cytoplasm. Plasm means a liquid substance. Then coming to the cell wall. Cell membrane gives shape to the cell, and in addition to the cell membrane, there is a wall that is known as cell wall. In addition to the cell membrane, outer thick layer is present, that is known as cell wall. The additional layer surrounding the cell membrane required by plants or the protection. Plant cell need protection and against various in the temperature, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture, etc. Then coming to the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. In the cytoplasm are, the other component present in the cells are mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, etc. These are the points. A detail about this we can study in our live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.